Hi there, my name is Dr. Erin Partridge, also known as Two Little Wings, and I'm a registered board-certified art therapist. I create mixed media art in a studio in the Bay Area of California, often joined by my parrots and other creatures. I'm a lifelong artist, and I've kept art journals since 1999, consecutively, without break. As an art therapist, one of my favorite things to do is create alongside people as they establish a practice of art journaling. So why keep an art journal? Researchers across many fields continue to identify physical and mental health benefits of written and visual journaling processes, which is why I'm so excited for the opportunity to be with all of you for ArtJournalSnacks. ArtJournalSnacks is a new quarterly subscription box from ArtSnacks to help you document, discover, and develop your art journaling practice. The ArtJournalSnacks experience will include a quarterly box with 4 to 5 full-size tools, a journal, and ephemera to incorporate into your pages. It will also have a menu about the ingredients and some other fun special things. You will also have access to 3 to 4 live sessions to explore different techniques. These will be available as recordings afterwards in a special group for subscribers on the ArtSnacks community mix. We will engage in lots of creative journal practices and explore new things together and share and learn and grow along the way. And I can't wait to get started.